All right, so today we'll be looking to understand NFTs, non-fungible tokens, NFT for short. So let's go into what we'll be looking at today. We'll be looking at what are NFTs, then key attributes of NFTs, then use cases of NFTs. So let's start with what is NFTs. Non-fungible tokens are digital assets that represent ownership of a unique item, such as art, music, videos, or virtual state. They are stored on a blockchain, which makes them secure, transparent, and easy to verify. Okay, that's what NFTs. They are just assets that represent ownership of a unique item. So let's look at their attributes so you can understand how they are different from cryptocurrencies. Now, unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum that are interchangeable, this means they are fungible. Okay, let me tell you what fungible means. Fungible just means one of this thing is equals to one of this thing. For instance, one Bitcoin is equals to one Bitcoin. But for non-fungible tokens like this, one cannot be one. Okay, one is just unique and only one can just exist. You can't have something equal to or something that is equal to it. No, it's not possible. You can't have. That's why it's called non-fungible token. Okay, it cannot be replaced with something identical. Unlike crypto, where one Bitcoin is equals to one Bitcoin, one Ethereum is equals to one Ethereum. In non-fungible token, one cannot be equal to one. They have their distinctive features, even though they look alike. Number two is ownership. The NFT includes metadata that prove its authenticity, history, and ownership. Even if someone withdraws or copies it, they can't replicate the blockchain record, which is what gives the NFT its value. For instance, let me just paint it in your head. If you've seen the picture of the Mona Lisa, the heart, I want to use art now as an example. Just one of it exists. People have been trying to redraw it, right? I'm trying to make it so basic so you understand how NFT operates. People have been trying to redraw it, but each time someone redraw it, even though they look identical, you and I know that they are not the same. Something somewhere just feels off. It's obvious they are not the same, even though they are identical. They look alike, they are not the same. That's basically how NFT are. Okay, they may look alike, but they are not. They can never be the same. Okay, so when it comes to the use cases of NFT, it can be used for digital art. You can just paint your art digitally and you can sell it. For instance, if you've seen a lot of designer shirts, you might see a design on them, but you don't know who owns it. But imagine you do it as an NFT instead, then people can use it to label it on their product. People can easily scan it and know you are the creator of the digital art. That's one of the key uses of NFT. It can be used for a lot of things like membership and a lot. Okay, the example I just give you are just one of the numerous examples and use cases of NFTs. So let's go forward. So for the task and activities, you just have to write a short guide on how NFT differs from crypto by highlighting 3 key functions. It's not must use the functions I use or use same word I used in the former slide. Then explore 3 collection on OpenSea. Go to OpenSea.com and note what makes go to OpenSea.com, then choose like 2-3 NFTs, then look at what makes them unique. Just research about what makes this NFT unique. I know you might have a question that you've seen a lot of people have. Something just came to my mind to talk on now, and I think I have to go back to the former slide. Okay, I did not write it down here, but I know you might have seen a lot of people use a PFP of a cat or a dog for their Twitter DP and all that, and you might ask, are those NFT? Yes, they are NFT, and majority of them use it as membership. I think I placed exactly. Yeah, so you can design an NFT as a membership where once you own this NFT and people see it on your PFP, they know you're a member of this club or something like that. So there are a lot of use cases. I don't want us going back and forth, but that's the use cases of NFT. It's non-fungible. Once you create it, no one can steal it. Even if they try to replicate it, the data on, as you can see, ownership, the data on the blockchain already show that you created it first. All what they are creating are just replicas, and it cannot be as the same as yours. So just go to the task and perform this task and activity. I'll see you in the next video.